In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze Amazon ads on KDP, KDP tutorial for beginners. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively use Amazon advertising reports to gain insights into your campaigns and ultimately improve your results as an author on KDP. First, we need to head to the advertising reports section. This is your starting point and can be found right within your Amazon KDP dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where your ads data is stored. This area is packed with valuable insights, capturing every detail you need to analyze how well your campaigns are doing. Here, under the Advertising Reports tab, you'll have access to a wide range of data that showcases the performance of your ads. Next, let's select the particular campaign you want to dive into. You may have multiple campaigns running at the same time, so it's crucial to choose the one you want to analyze in depth. By selecting the appropriate campaign, you can hone in on specific data that will show you exactly how that campaign is performing. Doing this allows you to compare different campaigns and determine which strategies are working best for your books. After selecting your campaign, it's time to carefully review key metrics, namely impressions, clicks, and sales. Impressions tell you how many times your ad was shown. This is crucial because it communicates the reach of your ad. Clicks indicate the number of times potential customers clicked on your ads, giving you insight into how compelling your ad is to viewers. And sales, of course, tell you how many purchases resulted from your ad. By reviewing these metrics, you can evaluate whether your ad is effectively attracting and converting your target audience. With these insights in mind, it's time to make necessary adjustments. This involves tweaking bids or modifying keywords in your ad campaign. If you notice that your ad isn't getting enough clicks compared to the number of impressions, consider adjusting your bids or selecting more relevant keywords that better align with your target audience. Often, even small adjustments can significantly impact the performance and success of your campaign. Experiment with different bids and keywords, and monitor the changes to optimize your ad's performance over time. In summary, analyzing your Amazon ads on KDP involves going to the advertising reports, selecting your campaign, reviewing impressions, clicks, and sales, and making adjustments accordingly. By following these steps, you not only gain deeper insights into how your ads are performing, but also equip yourself with the knowledge to improve and optimize your campaigns continuously. Keep testing and refining your approach, and you'll see improvements in your